Like this account here that created a short movie called Metal Hearts. Just look at the visuals and how well they flow. This 1-minute clip, crafted entirely by AI, begins with a heartwarming portrayal of harmony between humans and artificial intelligence. However, things quickly take a dramatic turn as a fierce battle erupts, transforming the scenes into an intense, cinematic experience that feels like a thrilling, spontaneous movie. There are so many of these videos being generated, and very soon, they will be the most trending short videos. To make your own, just go to this website called Haper.ai, and in the prompt box, you can type in your idea. For example, let's say Superman lifting up a huge rock in the Dubai desert. Then you can either choose the duration as 4 seconds, which is free, or 8 seconds, which will consume your 40 credits. Next, choose the layout and